Okay, everybody, now we're at the part where we're going to be putting together the platform for the top of the workbench. So what we've done is we've cut everything out, we've measured it, and what I've done is I've cut support cross beams. Now right here in the middle, this is 140, so this is a 70. I'm going to put two doubled up beams. I'm going to drill them together so they're extra tight, extra supportive. And then, as you can see, we've got it all laid out. We used the miter saw, which actually made it a little bit easier to cut this, and I marked it. I marked it when I took it from in there because in there we measured it so it would be nice and tight in there. So we just want to take a second and just mark, you know, like right here I marked the outside top, you know, the back top. And I just do that to make it a little bit easier. Then we've marked it where we're going to be matching up with the pieces. So everything's kind of measured. You take your time. Again, what we're doing, which really makes it nice, is having a drill and a screw gun. It makes it a lot faster because, you know, you can drill a hole, boom, and then pop a screw in there. Makes it a little bit easier. But the key here is you want to make sure that all of these pieces are the same, especially when you're doing something with the length that we're looking at. This is an awfully long piece. No matter how hard you look through the lumber yard, your wood is always going to be warped. And you can see right here where this piece of wood, you can see how it warps out there. But once we get it drilled together, now this one in the back here isn't as warped, but as soon as we start drilling them together, the wood will bend back and will form a nice perfect square. So the matter at this point is you just want to make sure you take your time and you start drilling the pieces. I'm going to start doing the two end pieces first and then work my way across the middle, and it should make things a lot easier. And as you can see, we've made a lot of progress over here, and we're just taking one step at a time. WebDoc signing off.